Hi guys, I'm back again with another video, and today we're going to be doing my apartment tour. I'm super excited for this video. Like, you guys do not understand. Super excited. Dorms are just not for me, but if you're in the dorm, it's okay. I'm not judging. I've been there, done that, but it's just not for me. And I'm happy to have an apartment, have my own little section, my own privacy. Privacy matters to me. But yeah, so we're just gonna get into this apartment tour. We're gonna start off in my room, and then we're gonna move on to other sections of the apartment. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. And if you're from ISU, Iowa State University, make sure you put the red and yellow colors in the comments below. But anyway, we're gonna get into this video. We are going to start over here near my bed. So I have my picture wall, which have a bunch of pictures of me and my familias and all the people in my life that I love. And then I have this little section over here that says girls can do anything, and I have a couple pictures of me next to that. But that's really how that looks. And here's my bed. Now that's Care Bear over there. I know it's kind of a basic name, but he cares a lot for me, so I'm gonna call him Care Bear. And here's my bed. It's pretty small, you know, the regular dorm size beds, which are like, what do they call it? Extra large twin beds. Yeah, and that's just a little note for me to remember to do those stuff. But yeah, this is basically how my bed and the wall looks. I will be adding more pictures. I know it's kind of like small, but more pictures are going to be added as I go about the year. And then over here we have my towel and my pajamas and my book bag. Let me move back so y'all can get the whole view. Yeah, so I actually switched that picture out a second ago because I realized that the two pictures at the top are the same now, and I put the other picture somewhere else. But coming over here, we have my trash can, which has a few things in there, and my carpet, little fur carpet, and that is a computer bag. And now for over here is my little desk section. I have Corinthians 13 on the wall, and then my pictures around it. And these stickers that you'll see on my wall are $1 at the dollar store, Dollar Tree to be exact. So don't go out of your way and go get the $14 ones from Walmart. But if not, there's a few $8 or $7 ones on Amazon. But I really didn't want to wait till that came. So unless you order ahead of time, I guess that's cool. But I had already moved it and I wanted to do this video, so I was like, I'm gonna just use the ones at Dollar Tree. But it looks really nice, and I have keys over there for my apartment and whatever. And then I have this little mirror, some sticky notes. Let me fix that because they don't look cute. Some Carmex. This is like my junk stuff, so these are business cards, sharpener, some money and coins in there. Also I have some thumbtacks in there. These are just my Christmas scrunchies. And then I have a bunch of fortune tellers that I keep because hopefully one day all my fortunes come true. I got my family, you know, more pictures of my family, a coffee mug, my books, my Bibles, my spiritual stuff here, my journals, my planner, and this candle, I actually got it for 94 cents at Walmart, but I made the mistake of leaving it on all night, and when I woke up it was down to the bottom. So I guess that's why it's 94 cents, but yeah, it's still cute and looks nice there, so I'm gonna just leave it there, and I'll just buy new ones every now and again. But this is how this looks. And this wall right here is like slanted. I don't know if y'all can see. It's like coming, like falling towards me. So that gives it a little a little something something, a little something something. Oh, and that's another mirror with some pictures on it of me and my friend. That's the light. And our ceiling is wooden, which I really like. It gives me like cabin vibes, but we not in that cabin. This is how this side of my room is looking. Got my little desk and chair and stuff over there, and my mom's computer because I broke mine. So while mine is getting fixed, I'm going to be using my mother's. So there you go. That's that side of the room with the mirror and my pictures of me and my friend Sophie. Over here is my window. Yeah, let's see this view real quick. So this view of the other apartment. Can this focus? Ooh. And it goes all the way down. We have a little gate around our apartments. I wish this would focus. And from over there, there's the window right there, and then there's my fridge. My drawers filled with accessories, I would like to say. So my fridge got a picture of me and my familias right there, picture of me, and then a picture of my best friend. And then this is just a marker board. Got my cereal. It's only open because I just ate cereal because I felt like it. Got some tuna. Got my little water bottle. These are A1. And I got some cereal bars and some ramen. Okay, I don't want my toothbrush to go in the bathroom, so that's why it's here sitting in my mug. It looks weird that way, but I don't really care. And then we open this joint up. Got some Nutella, some honey, some mayo for my tuna up there. Yogurt, grapefruit juice, that joint be jumping. Couple microwavable foods, more Danimals, lemon juice. This is like a ice tray. And that's my actual ice tray, because I think this is just for the water that falls off here, or the ice that falls off. Got some water. That's my mango I was eating yesterday. And then I come over here and I'm blessed, so you know I gotta put that there. And I got my makeup and my brushes, accessory drawers. They're not really organized. I just threw stuff in there. And yeah, they just got stuff in there. I got some combs, you know, my wigs, hair accessories and hair brushes and stuff in here. I just kind of threw stuff in there, so don't judge me. This is like makeup. These are my makeup rags where I can like get them dirty. Some conditioner, makeup remover, beauty blenders. This is some powder. Lashes, more beauty blenders, makeup wipes. It's just a bunch of junk in these drawers. Let's just say that. And these are like all my products and stuff down here. Let me back up so I can get the whole view. So yeah, that's how that's looking. Over here is my closet. Like I said, this whole thing is giving you cabin vibes. Got some jeans, irons, towels, my clothes, of course. My bags, the stuff I just bought from Victoria's Secret. They're having a sale, 5 undies for $28, and also you get a discount for your college. And then I have like underwear, socks, bras and stuff in the top drawer. Then I have like pajamas and stuff in the last two. I don't even know how to explain this. That is some scrub that I made. That is sugar wax that I made. That's alcohol. Down here is more products and stuff. I've got, you know, my vitamin E oil, African black soap, tea tree oil, some air freshener, jam for when I do my braids, face wash, and this amazing body wash, hair wash, face wash. Child, I just started using it, but once I really use it and see that it works magic, it feels amazing. But once I really see, I'm gonna do a review on it. But that's what I got over here, so that's how that's looking. Ba-bam! Oh, and in the corner I have like boxes with my shoes and stuff there. This there is usually there also, which is more makeup and stuff.
It's only out because I plan on recording a video. Yeah, and there you go, like my laundry stuff over there. The boxes I brought my clothes in. Another book bag that I don't use. That's pillows and extra covers and stuff like that. This is my dirty clothes. I got a couple things in there. And then I got some shoes and stuff over here. But that's about it. Oh, got my extra hangers just in case. But that's about it. So that's my full body mirror, as you can see. And then I got my calendar, got my closet, and then I got my whole setup over there. And if you're wondering where the rest of my clothes is, they are here. So anything that I couldn't hang up or like fit in those drawers that I just showed y'all, I just left in my duffel under there. Later I'll probably get more like containers and stuff for the rest of my clothes, but right now I really just don't care. I feel like if I put my winter clothes in there, then my summer clothes can be like in the closet, and then I can switch it out. It really don't matter to me. These things were already on the ground. I have a bigger rug that's gonna cover up this entire floor, and then I'm gonna move this over there. But I left that home, so yeah. And then I have like my 10-inch charger. It is super long and wonderful. So make sure you cop this. And this is my ring light. I'm gonna record a video later, so it's just been over here. I mean, I've been moving it around throughout the video, that's why you haven't seen it, but yeah, that's my ring light.
So this is our little hallway with our little trash can and little decor on the walls that my roommate brought. And then we have the stairs, and that is my roommate's room.
Right here is the bathroom next to my roommate's door. Coming inside here, this is our bathroom. We only really have a shower curtain right now. We didn't get any decor for the ground or the walls. So yeah, got some napkins, got some soap. And that is our trash can that is overflowing that I will soon take out. Do not judge us. And then we have a little mirror here with toothpaste and mouthwash and my roommate's toothpaste. That's just our little bathroom. Oh, we also have a closet here with some things in there. That's basically it. That's another trash can that we have. I should probably turn off the bathroom light. That would be smart. Going down the stairs. This is my roommate's shoes and stuff. Then we have, of course, a fire extinguisher. And this is our front door. And our gate is currently open, but this is how it looks outside. Got a little gate around our apartment. Turn over here and we have our little dining room, I guess you can call it, but it's more like a little eating section. And then our living room. And my roommates actually brought this, but we didn't decorate too much in the living room. This is basically it. The TV's gonna go over there. I actually don't watch that much TV. My roommate watched TV, so I'm gonna bring the TV from home in a couple of weeks when I go back, and that's where the TV's gonna go, and those two speakers and stuff like that are there. But we have this little table with these little decorations. This was a chair that was in my dorm that our roommate wanted to put here. It looks kind of awkward and stuff, but hey, just in case we have extra people that can't fit here. That's how this is looking. And that is our little kitchen. And that is actually where the gas and stuff is. We have a little closet here with some stuff in it. Oh, and this closet over here with some cleaning stuff inside. And then we have our kitchen, which is pretty small, just a little kitchen. That's our little trash bag for now because we have yet to buy a trash can, but we will do that soon. But this is how everything looks. Everything is in this apartment is furnished, so we did not provide this dining room section or these living room chairs or anything. The only thing that is mine is that chair over there. Like I said, it was in my door, so everything was already here. They already provided cable and everything. We just had to buy the router, which is that small little thing on the ground. I have a nice little view. Nothing much, a lot of free grass, and this is how our buildings look over here. But yeah, there's actually a place that you can grill out and stuff in case you don't have cooking and stuff, so that's really nice. That's really clutch. But that's basically how SUV apartments look.
So that's the end of the video. I hope this video is helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, give me a big thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, because if you made it to the end of the video and you didn't subscribe yet, what are you actually doing? You obviously love me. And I love you. So let's be friends. Subscribe. Join the gang. And for all my ISU students that watch the video just to see how the SUV apartments look like, I hope this was helpful for you guys. And yeah, that's about it. Remember to be beautiful and to love yourself. And I'll see you guys in my next video.